This is the brand new GripEdge metric RPT Hex key set with rounding prevention technology. It has our RPT Hex design up here, our RPT Ball Hex design down here, color ID coding to easily identify the size, as well as laser etched marking with the part number, as well as the size of the actual tool. And then it has a locking folding wallet style holder, so you can simply just flip down this switch. Now you can open it up, and now you have access to all the L keys compared to having to like a normal L key case. You have to flip this over, and then you can grab the right L key. But with this locking folding holder, you can just open it up. Now you can grab the right L key, and then it has our C-grip technology here. So right here, you can just put the L key back in. They're not gonna fall out. It holds them in there pretty firmly, as well as when you close it up, they're gonna be locked in there. These are some really good use cases to use our brand new GripEdge metric Hex L keys. First one is gonna be on bikes. So you can see on this bike, we have hex fasteners there, hex fasteners there. So it is covered in hex up here as well. And on the higher end bikes, they have even more. They have tons of stuff on the gears as well. So you wanna prevent that higher end stuff from getting damaged, which these metric Hex L keys can definitely do. On RC cars as well, these ones are covered in hex fasteners. You're dealing with a lot of tiny hex as well, so you really want to prevent that damage from happening with RPT technology. You can see this fastener here is already rounded out. You're going to definitely round that out, so with the RPT Hex L keys, you're going to actually be able to loosen and tighten that fastener. On motorcycle engines as well, or just working on motorcycles in general, this type of stuff is covered in hex fasteners, and with the new GripEdge L keys, you're gonna be able to prevent that damage from happening. So with this hex fastener here, we're gonna use our RPT Hex 5mm, so open up the case. Now we can just pull out the sides we wanna use. You have the ball hex down here, so once we put that in, you can see we get all that extra mobility if you need to loosen it up in a tight area. But we're not going to be able to apply too much leverage yet, as we haven't broken it loose. So that's why you're going to want to use the RPT Hex end to first break loose this fastener. It is a complete replacement for your standard tools. Make sure you get it fully seated in there. Now we can break it loose. And once it's broken loose, that's when you can switch to the ball hex end. And then you can just quickly run out that fastener. So it makes it really efficient to loosen up hex fasteners. Break it loose with the RPT Hex end for maximum protection. And then once you break it loose, then you use that ball hex end. So with this rusted hex fastener, we're now going to use our GripEdge Hex 4mm. So pop it out. You can see just how rusted it is. With the RPT Hex design, put in that fastener, we can break it loose. And then now that it's broken loose, switch over to the ball hex end. Now you can just run it out quickly, but that fastener is actually damaged already. So it was good that we used RPT Hex technology to prevent it from getting even more rounded out. And then with RPT Hex, you can also reinstall. So now we can put that fastener back in. Now you can use the knurling, and then you get all that extra grip. And once you get it down, then switch over to RPT Hex to apply that extra leverage, get it fully seated, and now we can tighten it down. So now we have gone down to our 2.5mm hex. You have the knurling on there, especially dealing with these small sizes. If your hands are greasy and grimy, you're gonna get that extra grip now. And you can see with this RC car, it's been running in water, so there's rust on that fastener. So we're gonna wanna prevent that from getting damaged with RPT Hex technology. So make sure you get it fully seated in there. So once you have it fully seated, now we can break loose that fastener. And we're going to want to keep loosening it with RPT Hex, and then we'll switch over to ball hex. On the smaller sizes, it does not have RPT technology on the ball hex end on the smaller 3. But once you're 3mm and up, then you have RPT ball hex at your disposal. This one is just a standard ball hex design, and then we're able to loosen up that fastener. But you can see it is covered in all hex fasteners here. So once you're done working on your RC car, you can just put it back in, and you can see we go down to 1.5mm, so that's going to cover a wide range of what you work on with RC cars, RC boats, or anything else with these smaller fastener types. So on this motorcycle engine, you can see this is in a tight area. So this is a perfect use case for the L key. I'm able to reach down here reach across, or I can get this fastener here with a standard ratchet. It's going to be hard to access that area, so I can break it loose with the RPT Hex design. And then I can just switch over to the ball hex end. And I wouldn't be able to get straight on with a normal socket, but with this ball hex end, I'm able to get on there. With the ball hex end, once you break it loose with the RPT Hex end, you get all that extra mobility, 20 degrees of angle, so we can just quickly run that fastener out of there. Makes it a lot faster compared to having to use that L key and keep going. And since we can't get straight onto it, this is the fastest way to remove it. Even if we had to reach over here, you can see I'm able to access this hex fastener there, or go in from the other end. So this is a tougher area to reach in here. You couldn't get it with a standard socket. Couldn't really get it with a ball hex. We'll see if we'll be able to access it. So you want to make sure you get it fully seated in the fastener. Then we can loosen it up. So we broke it loose. You can see we're just in a tight area here. And with the ball hex, I'm not going to be able to reach. So with this one, you're just going to have to slowly work it out. But it's better that you're able to break loose that fastener and get it out of there. And that is our brand new GripEdge Metric Hex L key set. The C-grip technology holding the L keys in place is really nice to have. The knurling as well if you're dealing with greasy and grimy environments. Having that ball hex end with 20 degrees of angle, and then having the RPT Hex design up here to prevent the fasteners from getting damaged while you're applying extra leverage. I would definitely check out the GripEdge RPT L key set, and this holder snaps back in place. Put it back in your toolbox and it is covered by a lifetime warranty.